Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Tesla Model X air filter. First, gather your tools: a T20 Torx bit, a panel removal tool, and a new HEPA cabin air filter. Always ensure your vehicle is powered off for safety. We'll begin by accessing the passenger footwell area, which is where the cabin air filter housing is located. This simple maintenance task helps maintain optimal air quality inside your vehicle. Now let's access the filter. Using your panel removal tool, carefully pry off the lower dash panel in the passenger footwell. This reveals the filter housing. Next, you'll see two T20 Torx screws. Unscrew these to release the filter access cover. Once the screws are out, gently pull the cover away. This will expose the old cabin air filter, ready for removal. With the old filter exposed, carefully pull it straight out from its housing. It might be a bit snug, but it will slide out. Before inserting the new filter, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrows printed on its side. These arrows must point towards the rear of the vehicle for proper function. Now, gently slide the new HEPA filter into the housing until it's fully seated and secure. To finish up, reattach the filter access cover, ensuring it aligns correctly, and secure it with the two T20 Torx screws. Then, carefully snap the lower dash panel back into its original position until it's fully seated and secure. It's a good practice to replace your Tesla Model X cabin air filter every 1 to 2 years, or more frequently if you drive in dusty conditions, to maintain excellent air quality.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.